Almost all Indians' favorite snacks are bread pakoda. So in the monsoon, it's very much delicious. So let's make it. We have fresh bread, boiled potato, gram flour. It's gram flour. I am keeping the bay leaves to improve the shelf life of this flour. So now I will mash the boiled potato. Yeah, it's mashed well with the help of fork. And now I will add the green chili and then green coriander leaves or cilantro. I will add ajwain by rubbing on my hand. Then I will add the green mint powder. If you have fresh leaves, you can add it. Then add white salt and black salt, a half spoon. Then I will add the tamarind chutney. Whatever chutney you have, you can add it. It will enhance the stuff taste. Then I will mix it properly. Yeah. With the help of hand, it mix thoroughly. The heat of hand, it makes it very tasty. So you can eat it as well as it is. It's very tasty. Now I will make batter. In a bowl, take 4 to 5 spoon gram flour, 1 spoon rice flour. It makes the bread pakoda crispy, and a pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch of salt. Make sure salt would not be much because we have salt in stuff also. Add water in batches and mix and mix. Make this kind of batter. The consistency should be like this. A thin layer of batter in the spoon. Now take bread and spread the chutney on the one side of the bread properly and keep aside. Take another slice and here I spread the stuff of potato, boiled potato, very nicely. Make a medium thickness of potato stuff, and now I will add like this. It's kind of sandwich. Now I will cut the sides of the bread sandwich. It's kind of bread sandwich which is fried in the oil, you can say. Now I will cut like this and make a triangle. See the stuff of the bread. Now I will coat the batter properly to the sandwich and let it fry in the oil. Make sure oil should not be heated much and not slow. So flame should be medium to low. Another batch of sandwich I am coated with batter and let it fry in the oil. Wait for a while. The part of the oil become crispy. You can add like this, and now I will flip it. In 2 minutes it become crispy. I will make the another side of the sandwich bread, or you can say bread pakoda, should be crispy. So this is the red one. It is the signal it is totally cooked. Now take out from the oil and keep on the kitchen towel. Another batch I will make like this. See, the crispy and very delicious bread pakoda is ready. See, the stuffing also. You can stuff paneer also like this and fry it. Now I will do plating. Dip in sauce and enjoy it. Happy monsoon. Try it in your kitchen and I'm sure it will out very delicious and tangy bread pakoda. So try it and write back to me. Do like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.